Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: airport utility on your device and the Express plugged into power. Connect the modem to the Express WAN port with Ethernet. This gives the router an upstream link. Once done, open Airport Utility and wait for the new device to appear. If it shows as configured, choose Soft Reset to clear old settings. If it's brand new, select Set up New Device. This immediate step gets you into the configuration flow so you can define network parameters. You now specify how the Express will serve clients. Assign an SSID and choose WPA2 Personal for reliable security. Set a strong password you'll remember. Next, decide routing. Pick DHCP and NAT if the Express is the primary router, or bridge mode if another router handles IPs. This prevents double NAT. Once done, enable or disable a guest network and choose radio preferences too. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed. Make static IP assignments only. You finish by applying the settings and allowing the Airport Express to reboot. Ensure the status light turns solid green in Airport Utility. Then connect a phone or laptop to the new SSID and test web access. If you use AirPlay, stream audio to confirm speaker routing. If something fails, first power cycle modem and Express, then check Ethernet and power cables. If issues persist, do a factory reset and reconfigure. This clears hidden conflicts and gets you back to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.